I've learned absolutely loads in this event. I'm going to take away so many things, but I think everyone must take something different from it. But for myself, I've found that essentially I've limited myself financially and I've scuppered myself. So that I'm my own roadblock. That's quite clear. That's what I've learned primarily. Fun, challenging, and learning loads. Yeah, I'm going to recommend this course to everyone I know. Yeah, definitely. I think everyone should be interested and aware, and should get involved with trading and stocks and shares in today's world. Yeah, we should all be educated properly. Otherwise, you're just gambling, aren't you? So everyone should be involved, and everyone should be involved in a constructive way, which is safe, and that's what is taught here. So. I think the crew, supporting crew for Marcus were fantastic. I particularly thought Dennis, who was the lead trainer, was absolutely amazing actually. I was very impressed with how empathic he was and how knowledgeable he was, and how much patience he got. So yeah, and he goes through things at just the right pace, so I was really impressed with him.